Guys, what's going on this episode? We're gonna get the new parts installed on the front end of the truck. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, say guess what's in the box, so stay tuned. We're about to open it up. Alright guys, so I got these from ADDICT, cpaddict.com. Let's see what they are. Some of you guys guessed already. You guys are right. So what we got, first box. New corner lights. Nice. Clear the black housing. Figured they're gonna go good with my cab lights. LED bulbs. New headlights. So all black housing with the reflective. I think they'll look pretty sick. I didn't want to go like the all the way black, you know, smoked. And then these are my new bottom lights. These are my new bottom lights. So also the clear with the black housing. I think they look pretty sick. So got the LEDs in the third brake light. A lot of you guys saw that on Instagram. Got the mirrors put on. I didn't do a video install on that, but the mirrors are on it now. Painted them just kind of like a metallic silver color, you know, gray. The black steel, and then I got my cab lights on, so I think they go, you know, the mirrors with the cab lights go pretty good. I was debating on whether to paint them the same body color as the truck, but I wanted a little bit of variation, so we'll see. And then I'll insert a video clip of my front light support, and I'll insert that right now. Alright guys, so here's my headlight mounting panel. So, looks pretty good. Basically all I did was degrease it real good, spray it down, clean it. And I just sprayed it with clear, so I know you won't ever see it, but just trying to make it look pretty nice. So just want to show you guys out in the sun before I put it back in the truck. So there she is. We're gonna get to putting the headlights and stuff back on. So that's my light support. What I did is I basically degreased the whole thing, cleared it, and then so we're gonna start breaking our load on this. Oh, and the other thing I ordered too, if you guys are doing headlights in these, let me go over here to the bench. So you're putting headlights in these OBSs. One of the things is the clips for the headlights will probably be pretty rusty. So you can't really buy them in the auto parts store. So I had 3 of them that were really nasty looking. So I went ahead and just ordered new clips. I think you can get them on Amazon for like 12 of them, which is more than I need. It's like $9 shipped, so not real expensive. So we're gonna start cranking, guys. So I got my support put in. you're doing one of these OBS, you got a bolt there. So I got one more bolt to put there, one more over here. You got 2 back here, 2 over there, and bam, there's a light. So I still got the covers on them just because I was working with them and I didn't want to scratch them. Got my harnesses ran through. One thing that I'm glad my buddy was here, Matt, because I got this headlight bezel pretty much in place, and he's like, "Yeah, bro, did you put the headlight bulbs in?" And I was like, "No." He's like, "You might want to do that." So sure enough, I pulled it back out, and I got HID, or not HID, LED headlights. They came with the kit. I just ordered them from CP ADDICT, so yep. So now I got to get some new bulbs for these before I put those back in. I'll show you guys what they look like. Go around here. So, cab lights. Orange ember LEDs. There's my headlights. Got a little man here helping me out. So, these LEDs are pretty bright, especially with the reflective housing. So, I gotta get some LEDs for down here and in the corners. So, alright guys, well, I'm gonna get back to it, and I'll probably finish this video another day once I get the other bulbs, and then I can tighten everything up, but at least it's in there for now. So Easton's blocking the light because it's right at his eyes and it's blinding him. Get blinded, bud. Oh, and then the reason you want to buy those new clips, they go right here. So basically the little things on the clips, they just hold this adjustment nut, I guess you would call it, in place so it doesn't move around when you're adjusting the headlight. So, and then you also want to make sure your shaft comes up in that groove right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the lights turned off, get the shop turned down, get cleaned up, and then I'll continue this video with getting the rest of these lights put in.
Dad,
so
I have a question.
See you guys in a minute. Hey guys, what's going on? Day 2, got the headlights in. So you can't really get this chrome anymore from the factory, so you gotta get aftermarket ones. The problem with aftermarket ones, they don't really fit that well. So if you go aftermarket, you just prepare yourself to spend a lot of time to drill the holes, make sure the lights fit correctly. But whenever you do these headlights, you got a bolt there, and you can't see it, but you gotta get down in here. Camera to adjust, and there's a bolt down here, right in this hole right here, that you have to get to. So there's 2 bolts for the headlights, and then you got these screws up top. Same thing on this side, you can see the bolt. That's why I decided to film right now. But I'm about to peel the plastic off, show you guys what these things look like. Now I've been super pumped to see these headlights. Got these from CP ADDICT. Shout out to them, dude. They fit really nice. They said I had to drill this bezel out a little bit to get them to square up, but overall I'm happy with them. And let me show you guys what I got in store for you. Alright, so got the amber LEDs on the outside, and the LED headlights. They're pretty sick. So, of course I gotta turn the key on to show you the next thing, but some of my body switchbacks, flashers on, pretty sick. So, if you guys enjoy this video, man, been a long time coming getting these headlights on. Try to get the pretty sweet. Try to get the bumper and stuff on tonight too. We'll see how it goes, but just wanted to show you guys where I'm at with the headlights. Probably end this video. Appreciate y'all watching. Please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button. If you got any questions on the headlights, I'll put a link in the description to CP ADDICT for them. And then if you got any questions on the install, just let me know. But super pumped, dude. They look sick. So with my paper on the cap light still. So I think they look good. Let me know what you guys think. Appreciate everybody's support. And see you guys on the next video. Going on. So I thought I would end the video right there, but I wanted to show you guys with the bumper on the front. So I know you guys would be super stoked to see it. I don't even know what time it is, but I've just been working non-stop on it, so here it is. Bam! So I still gotta put all the plastic pieces in the front. About to do that, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. But new bumper, new grill, new headlight bezels. What you guys think? If this doesn't make you subscribe to the channel, I don't know what will. Check that out, boys. So, super stoked. I'm gonna get all the plastics put on it and stuff, and then I'll let you guys see it with the lights and everything on. So, bear with me, and I'll get it done for you. It's in the truck, so. Here it is, boys and girls. Check it out. So we got the bumper on, the headlights in, the new plastics in. I know some of you guys are running the new bumpers, don't have the plastics or solid chrome, but man, it looks good. Super stoked, man. You know how long I'm waiting to get this front end back on? I had it parked out in front of the dealership. One dude's like, oh, that one belongs on the repo lot. And then he goes out and start his car and it won't even start, dude. And he comes back in, he's like, my car won't start. I was like, well, at least mine starts, dude. So, man, people gotta be haters. But let me show you these lights. Let me get something to hold my phone up right quick. Alright guys, you ready for this? Check this out. We got LEDs here, we got LEDs here, orange LEDs on the outside, orange LEDs up top. Alright, so stop recording. We're seeing the lights. It's hard to see with the camera glare, but it looks pretty good with the ember on the outside and then all the white in the middle. And And when these ones switch back right here, it's just sweet. Alright, let me turn these lights back on. Tail lights. I'm gonna put LEDs back here, but put LEDs up there. You open up the doors. LEDs in the third brake light. And yes, that's my factory third brake light. Follow me on Instagram, you see where I repainted it. So came out pretty cool. Yeah guys, looks pretty good. So if you're new checking in, it's my 97 F250 project. Please tune into the channel. Appreciate everybody watching. Please hit that subscribe button. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Truck will be going to Daytona. Whether I have to work here all night, every night, and get it ready. But we're getting there, and I got a few surprises in the back too. So we're gonna get it ready, boys. Appreciate everybody's support. If you guys love the OBSs, check in. I also got the van project too, but she's gonna be rolling. And appreciate everybody. Y'all have a great weekend. Have a great Mother's Day, or this post Monday. Then hope you had a great Mother's Day. All the moms out there. So see you guys on the next video.